Right, we're back. Early one today. Saw a setup after the 15-minute close. That to me looked quite good. I was bearish given the trends, so I was hoping that the 1 hour would continue bearish and we would have not, just revert now. There was this level right here that we are reverting from, but I actually was not expecting that to produce that much of a reaction because we were still bearish on the 5 minute. We closed the next 5 minute candle bearish after this reaction, forming. So you got the reaction here, then we closed bearish, forming the order block. On the 1 minute, you got this close below, which is, it's not a bad close. And then you got this, let me just delete this. Then you got this 1 minute order block inside of this 5 minute order block. And I was targeting the 50% of this 15-minute order block just to be safe. That said, I was keeping in mind this level in case we would have reverted. I would have probably closed the trade if we were to go down here, revert, and then go back. I would probably put at break even because this was one of my targets down here and not this one. I was really not expecting this to produce that much of a reaction. Either way, I was looking for reasons to not enter this, and I really couldn't find any. Like, the entry makes sense to me. You got this 1 minute order block inside of this 15-minute order block. I guess you could say, oh yeah, I could have put my stop loss, here and maybe another target. But I was really not expecting this. At the point that I entered was a new 15-minute candle. I was really not expecting the 15-minute candle to just violate this and stop me out, because I had these two confluences that said, okay, I'm going to put the stop here. Shouldn't go here if we are really to move bearish, in my view. We ended up closing like this. At this point, I'm like, okay, like not the best of closes. I would like to see a better reaction, but I need to let the 15-minute power free play out, and I need to let the 5-minute also power free play out. So I just decided, okay, I'm gonna just stick with it. And yeah, we ended up having this candle. Then at one point we come down here. I was not confident, like I would have never longed this. Like I would have not trusted this to hold. We ended up holding it. Then we go higher. We go higher. We come back down here again, and I said, okay, maybe now if we close below, that's good. We didn't, and we closed down here, and I said, okay, that's okay still, so I'm just gonna hold. Then we open this 1-minute candle, go down, go up, and it stops me out. And I got a little bit frustrated because it was a loss. I thought I did something wrong. So I was just reviewing now and just finding reasons not to enter. And I don't know, I think it's a good trade. I would have still taken it. So to me, this was a good trade. Even if it's a loss, it was a good trade. It was in my plan. I think this was more of a trade in my plan, in my book, than the one that I tried having yesterday, simply to the fact because here I had the 15-minute, the 1 hour, the 5-minute, and the 1 minute lined up. And here I had the 1 minute, the 15-minute. I don't think I even had the 15-minute yesterday. Yeah, not even the 15-minute was yesterday. I just remained bearish because of this close. So I think there's not really much I could have done here. For me, it was a good trade, even though it's a stop loss. You can see that I was completely wrong. Price is now reverting. And yeah, I really don't like to catch bottoms. I just prefer to follow the trend. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. The account is now at 51,400. Still good risk management, minus I got slipped for a little bit. This was a 2 something. Yeah, this was like a 203, and then I realized, okay, I'm gonna just put it a few points above. Then I got a little bit, I don't know if this is lag or slipped or whatever, and I ended up getting filled up here on this candle close, I guess. Candle close level, not at the actual candle close. That said, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.